Alright, taking off.
Okay, here we go. George's second flight.
Right on the money. Right on the money, Gary. Look at that. Oh, well, that's full throttle, right?
Don't stay at full throttle for too long, George.
Yeah, just wanted to do that. I haven't done that yet. Half throttle. That's half
Got
throttle.
plenty of power, mate.
Just over half. That's half throttle. Another pass. Picks up a little on the acceleration. Does somebody tell me about another 3 minutes? Because my timer's not on. I forgot.
Let's stay up for about another 2, mate.
Okay.
Of course, we don't forget we did those ground run tests as well.
Yep. Alright, half laps. Slow down a bit. Gusting wind. Yes, good. Intentional.
It's surprising, Kev, how slowly they do fly for a big heavy plane.
Flaps off. Another pass. Full speed. Back off. Just over halfway. Alright, we're getting ready for landing. Gear down. Flaps up. A pass with the gear down and flaps down.
The view's alright.
Alright, attempt for landing next.
Go a bit further down range, George, and give yourself a nice long gentle run in, mate.
My wheel looks a bit wonky at the front. Don't know why. Does anybody notice that my wheel looks wonky? Another pass, guys.
I think it's okay.
No, it's okay. No, it's, yeah. See, it looks a bit to the side. Look. Yeah, my wheel's gone. Out of alignment.
Off to one side.
Alright, it's come off. My wheel's come off. It's come off the steering. Shit. Okay.
Put the gear up, maybe.
No, it'll destroy his bombs.
Oh,
They're made of nothing.
Alright, I have to land, so.
Yeah.
Alright, gear down again. Hopefully it hooked itself. Nah, it's still wonky. Alright, I'm in trouble, so I'm gonna land the back wheels first. Let's see, wish me luck.
Yep.
Landing.
Just as soon as it hits, mate, elevator full up.
Yeah.
Try and keep the weight off the front.
Oh, looking good.
Oh, that's gonna happen. Alright, we're still good. It popped out from the steering arm.
I think you broke your left-hand retract as well.
Yes.
Amy, 1 minute.
Not much damage, guys. It's alright.
It's all good, it's all fixable, mate.
Yeah, Foxy. It all looks good, actually. Just a little minor damage. Yeah, minor damage. Let me have a look. Lift it up, yeah. Popped off the landing gear. Foxy job.
Yeah, you got some structure in the wing.
Did it go up to the top?
Yeah.
Oh, it pushed the rib, yeah. That's right, nothing major. Yeah, what happened? It looked like it popped out. It popped back in when it landed.
Oh no.
Yeah. I taped it. Why was it looking like... It's alright now. What happened?
Maybe you should have just wiggled the brake.
I did, I wiggled.
In the air.
I did, yeah, I wiggled. Nothing happened. It wasn't responding. Oh. See, I made it weaker by drilling a hole through here. But that's what you have to do with serverless retracts, unfortunately. So I need to build it up again. Yeah.
Beep beep.
Just a bit of a rib. It's alright, it's fixable, no problem. No problem.